Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few dishes capture the heart of French cuisine like Boeuf Bourguignon. Born in Burgundy, this hearty beef stew simmered in red wine is as rich in history as it is in flavor. Originally a peasant dish, it's now a global favorite, celebrated for its tender meat, aromatic herbs, and deep, savory sauce. Whether served in a cozy bistro or at a family dinner, it's a taste of France's culinary soul. What makes it special? It's simple yet elegant, combining humble ingredients into something extraordinary. From Julia Child's kitchen to restaurant menus worldwide, Boeuf Bourguignon remains a timeless classic. Let's explore what sets this dish apart. The rich history of Boeuf Bourguignon. Boeuf Bourguignon isn't just a dish. It's a story, one that spans centuries and reflects the soul of Burgundy. What started as a simple peasant meal has become a symbol of French culinary tradition. Its journey from rustic kitchens to haute cuisine is as layered as its flavors. Origins in Burgundy. The dish was born in the rolling hills of Burgundy, where local ingredients shaped its identity. Farmers used Charolais beef, prized for its tenderness, and slow-cooked it with Burgundy wine, which adds depth and a slightly fruity tang. Root vegetables like carrots and onions, along with mushrooms, filled out the pot, creating a meal that could stretch for days. Key regional influences. Burgundy wine. The backbone of the dish, giving it a rich, velvety sauce. Charolais beef. Naturally tender and marbled, perfect for slow cooking. Local herbs. Thyme, bay leaves, and parsley rounded out the flavors. This wasn't fine dining, it was food for workers, designed to be hearty and economical. Yet, the quality of Burgundy's ingredients elevated it beyond its humble roots. Evolution through the centuries. By the 19th century, Boeuf Bourguignon began its rise to fame. Auguste Escoffier, the father of modern French cuisine, included it in his cookbooks, refining the recipe for finer palates. His version emphasized technique, like searing the meat and deglazing the pan with wine, steps still used today. The 20th century brought another boost. Julia Child introduced it to American home cooks in Mastering the Art of French Cooking, calling it the best beef stew known to man. Her endorsement turned it into a global classic. Modern twists have kept it fresh. Some chefs add red wine reductions for a deeper sauce. Others experiment with root vegetable purees for a lighter touch. But the core, beef, wine, thyme, remains unchanged. From farmhouses to Michelin-starred restaurants, Boeuf Bourguignon has proven its staying power. Its history is a reminder that great food often starts with simplicity. Key ingredients in Boeuf Bourguignon. The magic of Boeuf Bourguignon lies in its ingredients. Each one plays a starring role, building layers of flavor that make this dish unforgettable. Tradition matters here. Burgundy wine, tender beef, and earthy vegetables aren't just suggestions, they're essentials. The role of Burgundy wine. Burgundy wine, specifically Pinot Noir, is the soul of Boeuf Bourguignon. Its bright acidity and dark fruit notes cut through the richness of the beef, while the tannins help tenderize the meat. The wine reduces into a silky sauce that ties everything together. If you can't find Burgundy wine, look for these alternatives. Pinot Noir. The closest match in flavor and acidity. Cabernet Franc. Light-bodied with enough structure to stand up to slow cooking. Gamay. A fruit-forward option that keeps the dish balanced. Avoid bold, oaky wines like Cabernet Sauvignon. They can overpower the stew's delicate balance. Selecting the perfect cut of beef. You need a cut that stays tender during hours of simmering. Look for marbling and connective tissue, which melt into the stew, adding depth and silkiness. Top choices. Chuck roast. Affordable, flavorful, and nearly foolproof. Brisket. Rich with collagen, becoming melt in your mouth tender. Short ribs. Intensely beefy and luxurious, though pricier. Skip lean cuts like sirloin, they turn tough and dry. The best beef for Boeuf Bourguignon rewards patience, breaking down into something extraordinary. Pro tip. Brown the meat well before braising. Those caramelized bits are where the deep, savory flavors start. Here's a quick checklist for your shopping list. Burgundy wine, or substitute, chuck roast or brisket, mushrooms, pearl onions, carrots, garlic, thyme, bay leaves. That's it for part 1 of the ultimate guide to Boeuf Bourguignon, France's classic beef stew. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll show you how to cook it step by step and bring out those rich, deep flavors. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.